I don't know if it's, yeah, it is necessary. Well, actually, I don't think it is. It's not necessary to take out the knob. If you do want to take it out, it just pulls right out. Pulls out like that. Can only go one way. Do not force it. Match it up to that shaft. Yeah, we got a couple of tools. Show you what we have so far. We've got usually a 3/16 drill bit. Preferably something that has that drive. You could probably use this. I'll show you that if you don't have a drill like this, electric drill, hopefully you have one of these. So you can just kind of slip this on, and you can actually manually do it. I think that's probably the best thing to do. As you can see, the plastic rivets, we'll call it that, plastic rivets. You can see it. Looks like that. See if we could, yeah. So it still has a little bit of that plastic adhesive, I guess you can call. So what you want to do is use the drill to just kind of pop it loose, like see how it's coming off. Just does that. It'll just kind of break off, and when it breaks off like that, that's all you need to do. Because I made a mistake of drilling using the drill, electric drill, and I went into too deep with the drill bit, and the result was, after drilling out all the rivets, and there's a lot of them, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 rivets that you have to drill out. And I recommend using by hand. You don't have to have this tool. Let's use this handheld tool right here. And once you get that, it'll actually come out. That's just the cover. That's it. Okay, put that aside, and then we are here at the circuit board, and looking more closely here, not just where we were at earlier. Oh, sorry. Thing is, yeah, where we were at earlier, it is in pretty bad condition there. And we're gonna try something too. I'll tell you about it later. Look right there, burnt. Where else? Like right here too. Something that we couldn't have seen had we not taken the back cover loose. Looks like some more short right there, and maybe like a little bit right here. You can see a little bit of, I don't know if that's watermark, but it's starting to get it right here as well. I don't know if you guys can see it. Sorry. All right, so taking this out. This is where the rivets are. See, it's actually studs, plastic studs. See where I dug in a little too deep. Let's focus in there. Right here. It's broke off, but it's okay. Because I'll show, we're actually gonna be using hot glue gun to seal the backing, this backing back into place once we get our new circuit board. You don't have to be too nice about this older one because you're gonna be replacing it anyways. It's the new one that you have to be careful about putting it back in a certain way. Yeah, but what I'm gonna do